Here we are, loaded up, ready to leave Cleveland for Foxtoberfest 2022. Cars are looking good, loaded safely. Time to hit the road. See you soon. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today's video is going to be part one of Thursday, Prestige Motorsports Open House and Cabarrus Brewing Company. We made it. Prestige Motorsports Open House.
I know Jason will do it, won't you, Jason?
I didn't hear the first part of it, but yeah.
Let's go to Hooters.
Yeah, why not?
After the beer joint.
Absolutely.
He's down.
I mean, how often do you see two of these cars sitting right next to each other like this? Yeah, my Ohio native.
Oh, yeah, I think I might see that post on there.
Did you? There's an older gentleman.
Yeah.
Yes. No way. Buddy. Yeah, he literally just picked it up last week.
Seeing cars like this makes me want to spend money. Cheers.
Jason. I mean, it's not 100% clean. That's just because of the castings are always gone. So, depending on the source stuff like that. So, this head here, I get to look in summer and then I look
Yeah, I think they're saying it's yeah. But did you get yours down here?
Oh yeah, right there.
Oh, okay.
The Leech tuned one?
Yes, sir.
Just got me dialed in.
Dude, it's amazing what that dude can do.
It's crazy.
The craziest thing is when he sent me a tune while I was at the track. It was the coolest shit ever.
later that same evening.
Fox bodies are everywhere.
Plastic needs a water and paint. Yeah, just stuff it down real lightly, plastic needs your motor and paint it. Let the factory one, you have to clean that shit out of it for like 8 extra pounds.
Jeez. I hope this video looks just as good as it does in person. Man, that's why I want a Coyote swap my car.
Look, man, the tooling and stuff back then just wasn't as like.
Trust me, I saw it.
Y'all may not know who I am, but before I introduce myself, can you all give it up for the whole staff here at Foxtoberfest? Can we give it up for the whole Foxtoberfest? Come on, y'all can do better than that. This is not a funeral. I said we are here because they put this all together. Put your hands together for the Foxtoberfest team! And can we please show love to the beautiful, wonderful Jen from Fox Resto? Can we show love to Jen?
Yeah!
All right, well, welcome to Foxtoberfest and all that good stuff. Look, so if y'all don't know, I'm Kendall Sean, Blue Oval Media. I just want to thank everybody for praying for me this week because I barely made it. But so today is the first time for anybody that follows my channel and anybody that has seen my car. I have made some significant changes and it does not look the same. And so I wanted to bring it here first for everybody to see it.
Come on back. Come on. Instagram says, hey, what up, Jen? We're going to get a little space. We're going to get a little gap.
Well, everybody, that brings us to the end of Thursday. What an amazing day. The open house at Prestige Motorsports, the event at the Cabarrus Brewing Company. These guys just know how to put on an event and definitely know how to keep us busy throughout the day. I tried to get as much content as I could. I find it very difficult sometimes when you're chatting with so many people. It's hard to break out the camera and catch what you see in front of you. Did the best I could to try and catch some highlight moments. This is part one. Stay tuned for part two.